Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the world of smartphones with the brand new Honor Magic6 Lite. Released on December 27th, 2023, this device is packed with features that make it a standout in the smartphone arena. From its sleek design to its cutting-edge hardware and innovative software, the Magic6 Lite is here to redefine your smartphone experience. So, let's jump right in. Let's talk about the design first. The Honor Magic6 Lite is a visual delight, with a height of 163.6 millimeter, a width of 75.5 millimeter, and a thickness of just 8 millimeter. Weighing in at 185 grams, it's lightweight and comfortable to hold. Available in striking colors like black, green, and orange, this phone not only looks good but is also built to withstand the elements with its dust and splash resistance, certified with an IP53 rating. Now let's turn our attention to the immersive display. The Magic6 Lite features a vibrant 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1220 x 2652 pixels. With 120 Hz refresh rate, you can expect smooth scrolling and seamless transitions. The bezel-less design and an impressive screen-to-body ratio of approximately 91.2% ensure an expansive and immersive visual experience. Under the hood, the Magic6 Lite is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset, boasting an octa-core CPU with a max speed of 2.2 GHz. With 8 GB of RAM and a spacious 256 GB of internal storage, this phone can handle multitasking and storage needs with ease. The LPDDR5 memory type and Qualcomm Adreno 710 GPU ensure a seamless and responsive user experience. Running on Android 13 with Honor's Magic UI 7.2, the software on the Magic6 Lite is as impressive as its hardware. The user interface is intuitive, offering a smooth and customizable experience that caters to your preferences. Let's shift our focus to photography. The Magic6 Lite boasts a versatile triple camera setup on the back, featuring a whopping 108 MP wide-angle lens, a 5 MP ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 2 MP macro lens. Capture stunning details and vivid colors in your photos. On the front, a 16 MP wide-angle camera ensures your selfies are Instagram-worthy. With video capabilities of up to 2160p at 30 FPS, your memories will come to life in stunning clarity. No need to worry about running out of juice during your busy day. The Magic6 Lite comes equipped with a robust 5300 mAh battery. The non-removable battery supports 35W wired charging, and here's the kicker: it even supports reverse wired charging. So your Magic6 Lite can be your on-the-go power bank. Stay connected with the Magic6 Lite's dual SIM support and fast data speeds with 5G, LTE-A, and HSPA. The device also supports Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.1, USB Type-C 2.0, and NFC, providing you with a plethora of connectivity options. GPS features like BDS, Galileo, GLONASS, and GPS ensure you always find your way. Immerse yourself in multimedia with the Magic6 Lite's loudspeaker, and while it bids farewell to the headphone jack, it introduces an under-display fingerprint sensor for added security. Packed with sensors like accelerometer, compass, gyroscope, and proximity sensor, this phone is truly a technological marvel. In conclusion, the Honor Magic6 Lite is not just a phone, it's a statement. With its sleek design, powerful hardware, innovative features, and a camera setup that rivals the best in the market, this device is set to elevate your smartphone experience. Whether you're a tech-savvy user or someone looking for a reliable daily driver, the Magic6 Lite has something for everyone. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay tech-inspired.